Okay, 17th question. This is um, true or false. Okay, 3 and 4. So when we consider about the square root of 3, that is square root of, sorry, 3 square root of 9, 4 square root of 16. So 14 is placed in between these 3 and 4. So this is a correct statement. This is a correct statement. So, but for the second one, when you multiply 5.5 into 5.5, yeah, when you multiply, it's 30.25. Okay, 30.25. Here they are telling that square root of 35 is less than square root of 30.25. 30.25. This is incorrect statement now because 35 is the greater amount. 35 is the greater value. So this is wrong. This is wrong. For the third one, square root of 3 plus square root of 15. Okay, when you consider about square root of 3, that is around 1.43, and square root of 15, that means that is less than 4. That is less than 4 because square root of 16 equals to 4. 15 is something less than 4, 3.8. Okay, 3.8 something, 3.82. Okay, when you add these, it's 12, 5.2. So it's exactly less than 6. It's exactly less than 6. So first and third statements are correct. The second statement is wrong. Second statement is wrong. Okay, for the next question. Anil takes 30 minutes to walk at a uniform speed from his home to, it's 2.4 kilometers away. Okay, he took he took 32 minutes, 32 minutes to reach 2.4 kilometers. Okay. How many minutes will it take him to walk 3 kilometers at the same uniform speed? Okay, how much time he needs to reach 3 kilometers in the same speed? We have to find the t. Okay, we have to find the time. Okay, for that, here you can use a ratio method. Ratio method, that means 32 upon t. Okay, here we will, this is our time, okay, minutes, and this is kilometers. So these are two equal parameters. So minutes and minutes, this one kilometer and kilometer. So we can use the ratio method. 32 upon t equals to 2.4 upon 3. 2.4 upon 3. You can solve this equation to get the t value correctly. Okay, we will solve this. For that, I will cross multiply the values. 32 multiplied by 3. Similarly, 2.4 multiplied with t. 2.4 multiplied with t. So 32 into 3, it's 96. 96 should be divided by 2.4. 2.4, that is equals to t. That is equals to t here. Okay. We just cross multiply the values by using the ratio method. So 96 divided by 2.4, our t is equals to 40. 40 minutes. T should be equals to 40 minutes. Okay, I'll repeat it once more. How we found this? He took 32 minutes to reach 2.4 kilometers. How much time he needs to reach 3 kilometers? In this case, you can use the ratio method. 32 upon t. You have to use same parameters to a fraction, 32 upon t, and 2.4 upon 3. Then cross multiply. 32 times 3 equals to 2.4 times t. So 32 into 3 is 96 divided by 2.4. That will give you a time as 40 minutes. 40 minutes. He took 40 minutes to reach 3 kilometers at the uniform speed. At the uniform speed. Okay, then finally we will discuss our last question. The center given O, radius 5. Okay, radius 5 means this one is 5, this one also 5. TC equals to 4. TC equals to 4. That means this is our TC. This is 4. Length of BC. Length of BC. Here you have to use two theorems. First one is chord theorem. A theorem called chord theorem, that is, okay, this is a chord in a straight line, in a circle. When we connect this by, okay, when we draw a straight line from the midpoint, okay, midpoint of the circle, center of the circle, when we draw a straight line from midpoint of the circle to this chord, that is perpendicular and bisect the total length into two portions. Bisect the total length into two portions. Okay, from the in a circle, this is a chord. Okay, this is a chord. From the midpoint of the circle, when we draw a straight line that is perpendicular to this chord and bisect the total chord into two equal portions. Bisection means splitting into two equal parts. Similarly, this is a chord. Okay, this is a chord of the circle. This is the midpoint. From midpoint, we are drawing a straight line that is perpendicular to this chord. And another thing that will bisect the total length into two equal portions. So we know TC equals to 4 centimeters. No, so the AT also 4 centimeters. AT also should be 4 centimeters. This is the chord theorem. Then after, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to get our BC. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in this picture, okay, this, if this is perpendicular, this one should be perpendicular. Okay, this one should be right angle. This one should be a right angle. In this right angle, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. That is, this total hypotenuse square. That is 10 square. Okay, 10 square. Total 10 square equals to BC square, alternative side square plus opposite side. Adjacent side square plus opposite side square. BC square plus 8 square. So, to find your answer, BC square will remain same. Okay, 10 square minus, I'll keep the 8 square here. Okay, minus 8 square here. Here you can see, you can find this by using another method. 10 square 100 minus 8 square 64. It's 36. You have to find the square root of 36. Square root of 36. Otherwise, if you don't know how to find the square root for some bigger numbers, okay, this is another possible method. These are two square values, so you can write the factors as 10 minus 8, another factor as 10 plus 8. One factor with negative, another factor with positive. So 10 minus 8, it's 2. 10 plus 8, it's 16. Okay, sorry, it's 18. So this is going to be our BC square. BC square is 36. So to find your BC, okay, rather than using this method, other one is convenient for you, I think. Yeah, that is 10 square 100 minus 8 square 64, that is equals to BC square. So BC square is 36. To find your BC, you have to find the square root of 36. Square root of 36, that is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. You know how to use Pythagoras theorem. But the thing, here another theorem, that is the chord theorem. You have to remember this theorem.